see a typical mesh pool fence installation. This fence happens to be a Protect-A-Child pool fence, and you can see that it's taking quite a beating. Let's talk to the owner and see how this fence has held up. Hi.
Hi.
Thanks for talking to us today.
Sure,
I
no
see the
problem.
kids are having a great time. How many children do you have?
4.
4 kids. And how long has the fence been up?
5 years.
And how well has it held up for you?
Great. It's held out perfectly. They bounce off of it and they've put some stress on it, and it's done great. I'm happy with it.
Great. How old are they? What are their ages?
4, 5, 8, and my 10-year-old is not here.
My goodness. Well, you see what a great job this fence has done. With your permission, let's take a look at another fence and see about how well it holds up.
Okay, great.
Good. There we go. All right, guys.
Oh.
Oh my goodness. Well, let's talk to our mom now and see how the fence held up.
Wow.
Well, what do you think?
No. I don't like that one bit. No.
Well, we can kind of tell what happens with other brands of pool fences. What did you think about that fence?
It's horrible. I can't believe it broke that quickly. That's scary.
And
That
what would you
scares me.
tell other moms about what kind of fence you'd like to buy?
Protect-A-Child. I think that's the only fence you need to get.
I don't think there's any question about it. By watching children play around a mesh pool fence, we've seen the need for strong fence posts. We hope this will help you make a more informed pool safety decision.